Hi everyone! To find the factor, substitution takes time. But using C11 and Factor Checker, you can find it faster. Just give it a try. From the top 6, there are the possible factors. Let's make each checkers for each. Starting from C11. For x plus 1 or its hinge. Change the expression into xnary. Then add the x squares and 1's places, and x cubed and x places. When they're different, it has no factor x plus 1, nor its hinge. Once again, C11. Then take the alternate sums. 1 plus 7. When they are the same, it has factor x plus 1. I'll show you the principle later in this video. Once again, C11. 9 plus neg 10, 2 plus neg 1. When one is negative the other, it has factor x minus 1. You can omit writing them, if possible. Then let's make C21. Giving expo 2 to C11. Like 1 times 6, 2 times 17, 4 times 3, as in video 19. Once again, when 2 is a common factor, divide them by 2. Only 17, 12 over 2, neg 8 over 2. Then take the alternate sums, as previous. When they're different, no factor 2x plus 1 hinge. Then C31 next. Giving expo 3 to C11. Common factor 3, so 6 over 3, only 17, as previous. The alternate sums, being different, means no 3x plus 1 hinge. Then C61 next. Giving expo 2 to C31. As previous. The alternate sums, different only in sign, means factor 6x minus 1. Then top over top, bottom over bottom. You can use flat division. Video 24 has details. Move on to C12. We can use the mirror principle. When the mirror has 2x plus 1, the original has 1x plus 2, as in video 17. We made C21 this way. C12 in the same manner. In opposite direction. They have the same alternate sums. it has no x plus 2 hinge. When making C14, the same way. The alternate sums agreed, so factor x plus 4. Then top over top, bottom over bottom. 1 times 4, 6 minus 4. Flat division again. Next example. How many checkers do we need at most? From 4, from 6. Totally 12 options. But 22 is 2 times 11. We do not need them. Actually, 8 options. When giving expo 2, 4 or even numbers can be the common factor, making C23 from 21 the same way. Next example. Before taking C11, always look for expos. Skelting makes C11 smaller. After factoring it, expose expo 3, as in video 19. Next example. When the constant is too big, I recommend you product ratio method in video 25. It's faster than checkers. Just give it a try. Together with factor table in video 18. By the way, this might be the expected solution. Move on to the principle. When f of negative 2 is 0, fx has factor x plus 2. When f of 2 being 0, factor x minus 2. This is the factor theorem. The solution and the linear constants are different in sign. In C11, the alternate sums, opposite in sign, actually means f of 1 is 0 and factor x minus 1. The alternate sums being the same means g of negative 1 is 0 and factor x plus 1. Move on to C21. Giving expo 2 divided by 4 means hiding expo half and factoring out 4. This is C11 of the skeleton. When the alternate sums disagree, the skeleton has no x plus 1 hinge. exposing half, the original has no factor 2x plus 1 hinge. F of half carries C21. It's not 0. F of neg half, neither. Move on to C23. I just leave the justification. Okay, let's move on to the drill. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.